topic, that is shortcut method for squaring a number. What we have to find? We have to find the square of a number by the shortcut method. Here the first method is column method. In this method we will divide the given number into the columns and then find out the square. Just take a look. The question given is 52 whole square. So first divide 52 into two parts, that is A and B. What is the value of A? The value of A is 5 and value of B is 2. Now divide it into columns, first, second and third. In third parts we have divided first, second and third. Now recall the formula of A plus B whole square. Recall the formula. What was the formula? The formula was A plus B whole square is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. This formula we will use in column method. Okay, which formula we are going to use? We are going to use A square plus 2AB plus B square. Clear? So make the columns now. First, second and third. What is the value of first column? It is A square, then 2AB, then B square. What are the values? A square, 2AB and B square. What is the value of A? That is 5. So it is 5 square. 2AB means 2 multiplied A multiplied B, that is 2 into 5 into 2. Then B square, that is 2 square. Clear? 5 square is 25, then 20 and then 4. The nothing special up to now. यहाँ तक कुछ भी स्पेशल नहीं है. Now remember only one thing, कि जो भी लास्ट के कॉलम्स हैं उनसे हमें ओनली सिंगल डिजिट लेनी है. What I said, that from the last columns we have to take only single digit. So 4 will becomes in our answer. 0 answer. But 2 will goes to the next column. 2 हमारा कहाँ पे चला जाएगा? Next column में, and then 25 plus 2, that is 27. What we have done, जो भी हमारे कॉलम्स में आंसर आ रहा है उनकी केवल यूनिट डिजिट लेंगे, एक्सेप्ट फर्स्ट कॉलम. ठीक है? सो व्हाट विल बी योर आंसर? योर आंसर विल बी 2704. Clear? I am giving you another example like this. For example, just take a single example that we have to find out 16 square. Fine. What is the method? First, second and third. It is A square, 2AB and B square. So what is the value of A? The value of A is 1. Value of B, it is 6. Now solve the sum. A square means 1 square. 2AB means 2 multiply 1 multiply 6. Then B square, that is 6 square. Now solve the values. 1, 12, 36. What I have told you, that from the last columns you have to take only a single value, a unit value. So it will goes to here. plus 3. Now what it becomes? 5. 15. Answer will in 5. We have to take only 5 in answer. Then 1 will move forward. What is it? 2. So 16 square is equal to 256. I think it is clear now. Take more examples and try to solve. It is very easy method. Only you have to remember what? That you have to take only one digit of the last column. उसके अलावा अगर कुछ भी आ रहा है तो हम क्या करेंगे? नेक्स्ट कॉलम में ऐड करते जाएंगे. Then what we have studied? We have studied column method. The next method is diagonal method. What is the next method? The next method is diagonal method. In this, find the value of 86 whole square. Now meet diagonals here. 8, 6. First we have to prepare a box like this. Then 8, 6, 8 and 6. Fine. जो भी नंबर गिवन है उसको इस तरह हम रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे. Then multiply. 8 8 जा 64. Now 6 by 8. 6 8 जा 48. 8 6 ja 48 and 6 6 ja 36. Nothing we are doing. We are doing multiplication to each and every number. ठीक है, हमने ये किया है. 8 को पहले 8 से, 8 को 6 से, 8 6 and 6 6. ठीक है. Now add the diagonals. अब हमने जो diagonals फॉर्म किए हैं हमको उन्हें क्या करना है? ऐड करना है. See, its sum is 6. It's 8 plus 3 11. 11 plus 8 19. 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12 and it is 6. The concept that we have studied in column method, as we have to take only the ones digit, we are following it here also. जो हमारा concept था कि हमें आंसर में केवल यूनिट डिजिट और वंस डिजिट ही लेनी है, वही हम यहाँ पे फॉलो कर रहे हैं. तो 6 will move down, then 9 is taken as answer. 1 goes to the next column or next diagonal sum, that is 12 plus 1, that is 13. Now 13 will go to answer and 1 will move further and it will become 7. So what's your answer? Your answer will be 7396. Clear? Take one more example of this. Suppose we have to find out the square of 24. What we have to find out? The square of 24. So just make a box like this. 2 4 2 4. Make diagonals. Fine. Now multiply. 2 2 ja 4. You have to write 0 4. 4 2 ja 8. 4 2 ja 8 and 4 4 ja 16. Now add all the diagonals. This one here and here. Then 6, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 8 17. It is 4 and it is 0. Now the last step is to forward this 4 here. So your your answer will be 5, 7, 6. In this way, you can write that 24 square is equal to 576. Clear? Just take a look at your exercise question also. That is of 3 digits. How we can solve it? Just take a look here. See here, there are 3 numbers, 5, 27. We have made the box as like before. Now 5 multiplied 5, 25, 5 2 ja 10, 5 7 ja 35. Then 5 2 ja 10, 2 2 ja 4, and 7 2 ja 14. Again multiply 5 7 ja 35, 7 2 ja 14, and 7 7 ja 49 it is. Now add all the diagonals. It is 9, 12, 16, 6, 7, and 2. The last thing that we have to remind, only take the ones digit in the answer and forward the remaining digits to the next level. So here we are doing that, and what will be our answer? Our answer will be 277729. That is 2,77,729. Clear? I think in this way you can solve the square by using the diagonal method. Clear? As we have completed our diagonal method, the next topic that we have to complete is finding the square. What we have to do? We have to find out the square root. Up till now we have find the square. अभी तक हमने क्या find किया है? Square. Now we will find square root of the given number. What is the square root? The square root of a number x is that number which when multiplied by itself gives x as the product. मतलब अगर हम किसी नंबर को उसी नंबर से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो वो क्या बन जाता है? उसका स्क्वायर बनता है। और स्क्वायर में जो एक सिंगल डिजिट है, व्हाट इज इट? इट इज इट्स स्क्वायर रूट। ठीक है? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, root of 4 is 2. We get 4 by multiplying 2 by 2. So what is the square root of 4? That is 2. Square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 169 is 13. Clear? Now we are using the common prime factorization method to find out the square root. With method we are using prime factorization, and I think there should be no problem regarding this method. इस method में I think problem नहीं होनी चाहिए किसी को भी. Just take a look. We have to find out the square root of 4096. Last digit is even, so by which number we are going to divide it? We are going to divide it by 2. 2 2 ja 4, 0, 2 4 ja 8, 2 8 ja 16. Again by 2, 1 0 2 4. Again unit digit is even, so we will divide it by 2. 2 5 ja 10, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, 2 256. In the same way we will solve it. ठीक है? जो हमने पहले मेथड फाइंड आउट पहले मेथड कर चुके हो तुम लोग, यू आर क्वाइट फैमिलियर विद दिस, यू हैव टू ओनली रिपीट इट. ठीक है? डिवाइड इट बाय द नंबर each and every step. Fine. So how can we write 4096? 4096 is, it can be written as multiplication of these factors. From each pair, after finding the factors, what you have to do? You have to make their pairs. जब तुमने factors find out कर लिए, what you have to do? You have to do their pairing. ठीक है? हर किसी नंबर की जो भी सेम है उनका तुम्हें क्या करना है? पेयरिंग करनी है. And from each pair you have to pick a single digit. From each pair you have to pick a single digit. Fine? See here. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2 and 2. That will be multiplied and the answer will be 4. ठीक है? तो कुछ भी नहीं किया. सबसे पहले हमने फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट किए हैं और फैक्टर्स फाइंड आउट करने के बाद हमने उनकी पेयरिंग करी और हर पेयर से एक सिंगल नंबर हमने लिया है. फाइन. नाउ मूव फॉरवर्ड. फाइंड द स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2025. What we have to do? We have to find the square root of 2024. Last digit is 5, so the number should not be multiplied by 2. Now sum of digits: 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 2 9, divided by 3, 675, 3 2 is 6, 3 2 is 6, 3 5 is 15. Now we have solved it. Now make the pairs. Pair of this, this and this, and pick a single value from the pair. What we have to do? We have to pick a single value from the pair. That is 3 multiplied 5, and what we get? We get 45. Fine. Now some word problems related to this concept. Find the smallest number by which 2925 must be divided to obtain a perfect square. Also find the square root of the perfect square so obtained. What is given? That you have to find out the least number by which 2925 should be multiplied to make it a perfect square. These types of questions we have also discussed in exercise 3rd A. Have you remember that we have studied these type of questions in 3rd A also. Now let's do it again. First of all, by prime factorization method, find out their factors like this. That is 3, 3, 5, 5 and 13 other factors. Now see here, the pairs of 3 and 5 exist. 3 और 5 के pairs तो form हो रहे हैं, लेकिन 13 का pair form नहीं हो रहा. Have you got it? 3 और 5 के pairs तो यहाँ पे देखो form हो गए हैं, but not of 13. So by what number should it be divided? It should be divided by 13. हम किससे divide करेंगे? 13 से divide करेंगे. And the square root of the perfect square so obtained, what it will be? We are dividing the number by 13, so we will remove the 13 from here. हम यहाँ से 13 को remove कर देंगे. And what will be our answer? Our answer will be 3 into 5, that is 15. Clear? This method we have studied also earlier, so we are just recalling it. Move to the next question. In this type of question, a question can be of multiplication also. इस तरह की questions में multiplication का भी हो सकता है. In that case we have to include the number. उस केस में हम क्या करेंगे? नंबर को इंक्लूड कर लेंगे. अभी तो हमने क्या किया, इसमें 13 को रिमूव कर दिया. अगर यहाँ क्वेश्चन में होता बाय व्हाट नंबर इट शुड बी मल्टीप्लाइड, तो हम क्या करते? 13 को इंक्लूड कर लेते. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. फाइंड द लीस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर divisible by each one of 8, 9 and 10. हमें वो लीस्ट नंबर फाइंड आउट करना है जो 8, 9, 10 से एग्जैक्टली डिविजिबल हो. सो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू फाइंड आउट देयर एलसीएम फर्स्ट. सबसे पहले हम क्या फाइंड आउट करेंगे, इनका एलसीएम फाइंड आउट करेंगे. एलसीएम और यू कैन से फैक्टर्स. फाइन. सो start by using prime factorization. We have did what we get 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 5. These are the factors by using LCM or you can say prime factorization method. What is its multiplication? Its multiplication is 360. Now you are seeing here that the pairs of 2 and 3 exist, but pair of this 2 and 5 does not exist. इस 2 और 5 के पेयर फॉर्म नहीं हो रहे हैं. So what you have to do, you have to multiply this LCM by product of these numbers, that is 10. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the LCM by 10 and what you get, the answer will be 3600, and 3600 will be divisible by 8, 9 and 10. Clear? I think very easy method it is. In these type of questions, what you have to find, you have to find the LCM first, then the number whose pair do not exist, multiply the LCM by that and your answer will be there. Clear? I think whole exercise is clear now. I am showing you your exercise also for a better clarification. See, this is your exercise 3rd D. In this you have to use prime factorization method to find the square root, then smallest number by which this is multiplied, divided. Find the number of rows. You have to also find out the prime factorization method. Using prime factorization, the square root of 1225. This is again a question of same type. The number given is 1156. Only you have to find out the factors or square root. And in last question, least square number divisible by 6, 9, 15 and 20. In this question you have to take LCM of 6, 9, 15 and 20 and then whose pair do not exist, multiply the LCM by that. Clear? We have done a type of question like this here also. So try to practice this exercise. In our next class we will start long division method. What we are going to start? We are going to start long division method. Enough for today. Keep practicing. Have a good day. Bye.